Hey, it's Blue the Misfit, and you're listening to Radio UTD. I was in heaven and I was in hell.
Yeah.
Believing in neither, but I fear them as well.
Yeah.
So when we ride tonight, or we get high tonight, or even die tonight, I wonder if we'll be forgiven for all of our sinning. I feel like we living forever. 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 Ever, and ever, 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 and ever, ever, and ever, 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 and ever, ever. Yeah. Hey.
We living forever.
Woke up the same thing I was wearing last night. Now I'm leering at the ceiling. Gazing through a daydream, I think I had a chick fiending and strip teasing. 340 in the bed, 340s by the bed, 3-4s in the room, but the bottle made him bad, lay him down. I'm a crook, federal Raleigh's taking back, now take me to the past. Now I'm looking at a glass with the remnants of this whiskey, moon glistening, eyes shifting. Take an addy off the dresser, let's make everything interesting. Not an addict, no hesitation, put it in my body's at it. Raging in the city where the kids are having at it, living like tomorrow's set in granite, living forever. And ever, 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 ever. And ever, 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 and ever, 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 and ever, ever. We living forever. We living forever. We living forever. We living forever. We living forever.
I'll live my life the way I feel. No matter what, I'll keep it real. I'll live my life the way I feel. No matter what, I'll keep it real. You know.
Trill.
Never wore been trill since birth, how a nigga feel. Spend about 180 on my bottom grill, about to spend 100 racks when I get the deal. Throw the triple up like a Reggie Mill, truck hands on the wheel, gotta keep it still. And my beat so hard, I'm the man of steel. A nigga wanna be blue, but he looking teal. And a nigga so smooth, can't be looking seal. All black like I'm creeping on a manicure. All black so my goal, got a place to chill. And I'm at Black Beauty with a bunch of beauties. Misfit, give no shits like chicks with tight outfits. Smart brains but dumb asses. We'll give anything if we ask it. Here if anything, then we crash it. If it's what I wanna do, then it's what I do. If it's what I wanna do, then it's what I do. If it's what I wanna do, then it's what I do. If it's what I wanna do, then it's what I do. Everything brain gang and world club. Little sitting throwing the fuck the world up. 2 a.m. about to post up. Which one of y'all ladies wanna roast up? But don't photo bomb on my close up. Living my life to the most, but lames trying to kill my high with their lows, blood. But when you see my face, they froze up. No matter what, you know it, 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 you know it,
Whatever you done, I triple that. I was born at birth with the gift of gab and the gift of rap. Whole lot of flavor even dipped in black. A little bit of this and that. Whole lot of that and this. All that in a bag of chips. Drop a 4 in the 20 ounce, take a sip. Game in the game just to get my chips in.
Deal.
Ride my nigga blue. About to rule the world, time's overdue. Don't leave the house till it's at night. Riding my Matt Black, that's right, that's right. Criminal mind state. Starting from the bottom, now we prime mates. Started rapping in the midsummer. Now I'm the #1 stunner.
I was born to live wild, I'ma die wild. I was born to live wild, I'ma die wild. I was born to live wild, I'ma die wild. I was born to live wild, I'ma die wild. Everything bringing in War Club. Little Simon throwing to fuck the world up. It's 2 a.m. about to post up. Which one of y'all ladies wanna roast up? But don't photo bomb on my close up. Living my life to the host, but lames trying to kill my high with their nose, but when they see my face, they froze up. Everything bringing in War Club. Little Simon throwing to fuck the world up. It's 2 a.m. about to post up. Which one of y'all ladies wanna roast up? But don't photo bomb on my close up. Living my life to the host, but lames trying to kill my high with their nose, brother. When they see my face, they froze up.
The way I feel,
Hey.
no matter what, I'll keep it real.